Today's project will be using a color wheel to create a work of art I like to call Rainy Day. We're going to start by finding something that's a circle, a drinking cup, a small dish like a teacup plate, anything that's small, and trace it into the middle of your paper. We're going to be making the circle into a color wheel, and a color wheel that we're going to be working with has 6 parts. If you haven't watched the color wheel video, make sure you watch that so you can kind of learn about why we need the color wheels, what they're good for, and how we can use them. So you're going to find the center of your circle. Make sure that you're dividing it in half as equally as possible. Doesn't have to be perfect. Once you've got it cut in half, then you're going to be cutting those parts into halves again, or actually into thirds. So the way I've done it is I've just taken my ruler and I made an X right through the center of that circle. So you're using your ruler at a diagonal, and dividing it basically in half, but in a different way now. Now you need to take your ruler and line it up to the very tip top of that triangle shape and draw your line through it again. And now you have a 6-sided color wheel. Now, let's get to the part where we talk about how this becomes a rainy day picture. If you look at that as a umbrella that's on its side, you'll see what I'm talking about now. So underneath that umbrella, I'm going to draw a rectangle shape. This rectangle shape represents a raincoat. Under the raincoat, we're going to add a couple of lines straight down like the number 11, and then do it again. Oh, sorry. And then we're going to finish the boot. So the first 2 lines go down, and then you're going to make a curve around and finish the back of the boot. Now you've got the raincoat, you got the rain boots, and the umbrella that's kind of sitting on the person's shoulder and it's hiding their face. I'm drawing a horizon line here to divide my paper to see the sky on top and the earth below. It grounds your picture so you have a place to draw your puddles and your grass and other things that you might find in the ground. Now it's up to you to add the details that you want to include in your artwork. So what do you want in your rainy day? Obviously, we're going to have some rain, but maybe you want to have some puddles in your picture. You can add as many or as few raindrops you want around your artwork. You can have some on the umbrella, some could be splashing into the puddles. So make those choices. We won't be putting a sun in our picture because it is a rainy day, so it's going to be kind of gray. You can add details on your raincoat. It could be a belt, some buttons, pockets, whatever you might want to put on your raincoat. And the last thing you're going to want to add is some clouds in the sky. Yeah, I did 2, but you're welcome to do more than that. It's up to you. And if you think of anything else that you'd like to put in yours, be creative, maybe a duck or something else that might like to be out in that rain. That's totally up to you, and I can't wait to see what you do.